Hey guys, what's up? It's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have kind of a different and fun video for you guys. I wanted to teach you guys how I've been keeping busy and making money during quarantine. This is a fun little thing to do if you have some extra clothes laying around that you don't wear. I don't know if you guys have heard of DEPOP. DEPOP is basically a buy and sell app, so you could sell, I think you could sell pretty much anything on it. I've been using it to sell clothes and it's been going really well for me, so I thought I would show you guys how to do it as well. Before we get into the video though, and I show you guys all about this fun app, just a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored or endorsed anyway with DEPOP. This is just my honest opinion on the app, and I just want to tell you guys like the features about it and like what it does and how to use it. And yeah, so you could buy clothes on it if you're looking to like up your wardrobe, or if you're looking to make some extra money and you have some stuff lying around. Just quick before we get into the whole ideas of DEPOP and everything I have to share with you guys, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kendra. I make videos twice a week. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It is at Kendra Rowe, and add me on Snapchat. It is Kinder Surprisers. They are linked down below though, as well as all my other social media. Come say hi. If you guys could subscribe, that would be great. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any of my next uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought and what you want to see next. Yeah, let's get into it. So basically the way DEPOP works is you download the app and then you get an account, home screen, so you make an account on DEPOP and then you just kind of set a little bio. You set your currency preference, so mine's Canadian dollar because I'm from Canada. So whenever you go to post on it, you just take photos or videos of your item and then you go to post it, and then you put in like the size, the price, shipping prices, so you can do like a set price for like domestic and a set price for international, which is really cool. I have mine set to that because I am willing to ship worldwide. Yeah, so it's a super awesome app. You can find pretty much anything on there. Like I'm always looking for vintage pieces. I'm always looking for Brandy Melville, which is one of my favorite brands, and I will have a DEPOP Brandy Melville haul coming soon for you guys. I'm looking for Aritzia, stuff like that, kind of pieces that I've wanted to add to my closet. I'm always looking for, which is super awesome. So DEPOP is a really good way to do that. So we're gonna post an item together. So I am going on to DEPOP and I'm going to the post listing at the bottom. I'm clicking the plus button. I'm gonna post this denim jacket, click the product, and then go Aritzia, see what brand it is, Tallulah denim jacket. Help if I could spell. Jacket, barely worn, amazing condition. You guys can write, I actually cannot type, like I cannot use my phone, so you guys can write whatever you want in here, and then you can just say, so hashtags work really well, so I always do, but I always do hashtag like hashtag DEPOP, hashtag vintage, hashtag the brand, because that'll pop up, and then you put like your location, what category it is, so you could like literally sell like anything on here. So I'll go like women's wear, outerwear, subcategory denim jackets, subcategory denim jackets, brand is Aritzia, it's a size extra small, and then the delivery. So then you just post the listing and you are good to go. So it is really that easy. If you don't want to like share it yet, you could just like save it to your draft. So now that's like in my drafts with like another one. So on top of the buy and sell part of DEPOP, there's also reviews. So if you guys are going to shop on it, make sure you are careful. This is for if you're like purchasing, and if you're selling, like you want to keep your reviews good. Some tips that I found to keep my reviews up. I like to think I have decent reviews so far, but what I've been doing is including like little handwritten notes being like thank you so much, little like candies if you want. It's kind of corona right now, so like maybe not, but like I've been putting like stickers in mine. Just throwing something extra in there can really help with your reviews. Being fast with your shipping, staying in touch with the buyer, just to kind of be like, hey, like I couldn't get to the post office today, like I'm so sorry, I'm going tomorrow, stuff like that. Sending them proof, sending with tracked shipping, or if I do cheap shipping, like I'll do $5 shipping, but I send it letter mail and I make sure they're aware of that. If it's a small enough item, I'll ship it letter mail, just make sure I put enough stamps on it. So that's another thing you can do. I absolutely love this whole DEPOP thing. I literally sold something as I was making this video, so I am so excited to go downstairs and package that and get that out. Selling on it is super fun, buying on it is super fun. If you are buying, make sure that you are aware of the whole COVID-19 issue right now and you're just kind of patient. I'm waiting on a ton of stuff to come in, and then I'm going to do a huge haul for you guys. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for DEPOP. Make sure you guys check it out and give me a follow as well. My DEPOP is linked down below. I post on it all the time. So yeah, I still have like tons of stuff for sale and tons of more stuff that I will be posting. My whole second room is just filled with clothes to post for you guys. So yeah, if you wanted to shop a YouTuber's closet and purchase some of my items, I would love to do that. But yeah, I'd also love to check out your guys' stores as well. So if you do have a DEPOP, make sure you guys DM it to me on Instagram. It's at Kendra Rowe. I'm super excited to see it, and yeah, I think that's it. Happy DEPOPing, and I can't wait to see your guys' stores. Before I let you guys go though, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't haven't already, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you liked it, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next, what you want to see me do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye!